friends, in this video we are going to create a login screen app. So let's start. We need two variable mostly in a login screen: username and password. So let's take two variables at the state private variable user name, keep blank. Second is same private variable password. In this tag we will take one text field user टेक्स्ट में हम देंगे डॉलर यूजर नेम सिक्योर टेक्स्ट फील्ड सिक्योर टेक्स्ट सिक्योर फील्ड टाइटल रखेंगे पासवर्ड टेक्स्ट में जाएगा डॉलर पासवर्ड. Now we're going to create one button for login. In action we are going to display login. Now that's it, friends. We are going to add one more option here for formatting text field style dot rounded border. यहाँ पर रखेंगे login. Correct? Let's run it. This is our fancy 123 username and password. आप देख सकते हैं लॉग में लॉगिन इन प्रिंट हो गया है. So friends, that's it. This is a very simple login screen to understand the text field and secure text field concept. And thank you for watching this video and stay connected for basic concepts.